We actually defeated Blue Pikmin. Yeah. This is not happening right now. Nope. You did not just kill Blue Pikmin that fast. And you found me during that. Well, gonna reveal everyone else too. What, everyone else? There's more villains? No. Die, 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 die. Oh, oh hey guys. Minion Pig, I thought we killed you. You did. But I'm allowed to live again. How? The same way as me. King SpongeBob, what's going on? We're not dead, we're alive. That's what's going on. Yeah, but how? We'll tell you later. Now, this is the paper where Ozzy is, just in case you idiots forgot. Because you remember I'm the mysterious voice, right? What? Yeah, and I'm also telling you where I'm at, so you can just get me afterwards. Oh, okay, thanks. No, it's not like we're not friends, Al. My eye. We're not friends. We're like enemies. Okay, guys, come on. Well, that was confusing. What's this paper? It says White Pikmin's at the tree, and Ozzy's at the vent. We should go now, before one of them comes and kills us again. Yeah, great idea. uh, uh, why am I in the fridge? Huh? The window's closed, no! I mean, the door... What? I mean, the door's closed, no! Oh. Wait, the door's open! That's my chance to get out. God, no! Ah! Huh. Where am I? I don't know, but that box seems like it'll teleport me somewhere. It does. Mysterious voice? I mean, White Pikmin, you're guiding me? Yes. Why? Because we're... Oh... I guess we're villains or friends. Oh, God, that sounds weird. Okay, just go in the box. Okay. The box. This box, not that box. Okay. Huh? What was that? Come on, guys. Hold up. Wait. King SpongeBob. Didn't you do this to me? Huh? Let me go. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna throw you again. King SpongeBob, let me out now! I don't do well in tight spaces. Ah! Dude, what the heck? Ow! How dare you throw me like this on the grass? Because I'm king, and you're just master. And that means I'm better than you. Yeah, but that's not... That's not supposed to mean anything, though. I'm the main antagonist. Yeah, but still. I'm better than you. No, you're not! Yes, I am. Okay, I'm getting out of this thing soon. I'm calling Minion Pig to see if he'll save me. Minion Pig. Minion Pig! Oh, hey, White Pigman. Hey. What do you need? Well, I'm stuck here because I'm stuck in a box because King Spencer sabotaged me and threw me in a tree. And you know what's going on, right? No? Oh, okay. Well, how do I get over there? I'll teleport you in like 30 or 20 seconds. Like now. Minion Pig? Oh, that sounds good. Well, teleport me now. Why? Don't make it 20 seconds. Make it like 5 seconds. Okay. Okay. Okay? Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Teleport. Oh! Hey, White Pikmin. Hey, Minion Pig. I need you to get me out of here now. Okay. I'll hit the box at 3, 2. Well, I'm stuck in a box. Well, because people don't stop something. Okay, I know what's going on. Well, how do I get there? Well, you just teleport yourself. Wait, am I hearing double? Oh god, yeah, I'm definitely going for sure. I hate hearing two voices in tight spaces. Let me ahead. Let's get ourselves out in 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Yes! I'm finally out. How long have you been in there? Like 2 minutes. Really? Yeah, let's go back. Yeah. Should go back now. Yes, we're back. Yes, we're back. Stop copying me. Stop copying me. Okay, okay. Open that door. What? That's it. I'm putting you in that exact same pain you just put me through. But this time, I'm not gonna cut to where you are. I mean, where you are inside the box. No, I can't even fit in here. Yes, you can. You have to push it. White Pikmin? What was that? Nothing. Let's go back. Why haven't we been I'll say it for you. Why haven't we been moving for the past 6 minutes? It's because the mysterious voice is no longer on our side. Just goes where the camera just goes wherever it wants to go now. Like that. Oh, okay. We should move now. Yeah, before it cuts again.